Alright guys, this is part 2 of the video of putting my 350Z back together. Alright guys, I'm done washing the car. It's all nice and clean. Unfortunately, it's getting late for me to put the body kit on there, so I have to wait till tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have a nice weather. It's not raining, you know, but yeah, can't wait to get my body kit back on it.
Is that the same car?
Yeah. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to see my next video. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see what my next video is, or a follow-up on this video to see the body kit.